Yeah, hi, I'm going to show you how to play the F major scale on your keyboard. I'm going to show you the correct fingering for your right hand and for your left hand. And at the end of the video, I'm also going to show you what 3-note chords, what triads you can derive from this scale. Okay, let's get started. Now the F major scale has one flat, meaning that you don't need the B, you have to play the B flat. Okay? So let's get started. Place your hand like this. Tell this finger that it needs the B flat and not the B. Then we start with our first finger, F, G, A, and the fourth finger plays the B flat. After this, your thumb goes underneath your hand to the C, like this, C, D, E, and F. You land back on your F. Now I'm going the other way on the keyboard. You go all the way down to your thumb, F, E, D, C. Now you have to fly your fourth finger over to the B flat, like this, and A, G, F. Let's do it one more time, up to the fourth finger, thumb under, and downwards. Remember to put your fourth finger over at the B flat. Okay, now let's do the same thing with our left hand. This time we're going to go all the way up to the thumb. And now fly your third finger over and downwards until the third finger, thumb under. Yes, let's do it again. Okay, the F major scale. Now finally, let's have a look at what triads you can derive from this scale. Remember, going up the scale, you always have to play the flat B. So, on step 1, we have the F major. On step 2, the G minor. On step 3, we have the A minor. And step 4 is, in fact, the B flat major. Step 5, C major. Step 6, D minor. Step 7, E minor flat 5. And finally, we're back at the F major chord. Alright? The F major scale on your keyboard. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordscharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.